Hello everyone. So in this video we'll do a question. Okay, let's see what the question is. We're supposed to find simple interest. Simple question, not that hard. Okay, how do you find simple interest? Anyone? It is P into R into T by 100. What is this P, R and T? P is the principal amount. Okay, whatever amount it is there. Let's say it is 1200. Okay, what is this? This is the rate of interest. Okay, rate. So let's say the rate. Let's take for 2.5. Okay, what is this? This is the time. Time means for how much years. Okay, so example, let's take it for 2 years. So I need to calculate this and I want to get my simple interest. Okay, simple, right? Try this solution by yourself. In case if you are not able to do, then obviously we'll do it. Okay, try it first by yourself first. Okay, you can take any example, you can take any numbers. Doesn't make sense like you're just gonna use the same number, right? So you're gonna use input, you're gonna take the input from the user. Make sense? So just do that. So I hope you would have tried it. Okay, so let's just try it how we are supposed to do. So say, let's just name it. So again, I'm saying we need this hash include part. Okay, so let me just write it as quickly as possible. Name space and main. Okay, okay. Let's just save it to simple interest. Simple interest. Okay, okay. Okay, sorry, it's not gonna run. I actually pressed F11. Obviously, there's nothing in the start block, right? So now come. We need, what do we need? We need principal amount. So let's say principal. We need integer. We need rate. Okay, you can actually give it like this. Okay, you can even initialize it like this in one line itself, and type. Okay, so come here. Let's write here something. Cout. Please enter the value of, or just let's say enter the value. Enter the principal. Okay, principal amount. C in. Okay, where we're gonna take C principal. Okay, next is cout. Enter the value of rate. How to say? Okay, so how do we do this? Just C in, separate, or then enter the time. Yes, that's right here. Enter the time. You can give anything, right? As I told you. So just give your handle. Let's take C in instead of your time. Okay, does this make sense till now? Right. Now let's use the formula. Okay, so we need to create one more variable, that is your simple interest. Int simple interest. Okay, that means a simple interest block has been created, but now let's initialize it. So simple interest is basically equal to, what is it equal to? Principal into rate into time. Why have given this brackets? So that it will first get calculated and then only come and divide by 100. Okay, making sense what I'm saying? First these numbers, like if example this is 2, this is 3, and this is 2, then first 2 into 3 into 2 will take place, and then only the number will get divided by 100. Okay, let's see what answer we're getting, and then just come and print the value of simple interest. Okay, simple program, right? Let's run it. Okay, enter the principal amount. Let's say 1200. Okay, let's say rate is 2.5%. Okay, so 2.5, and I would like to make one changes, since this can actually be any number, right? It can actually be a decimal as well, right? This is decimal number, so let's actually make it something like a rate to be equal to float. Okay, so let me just come and make this change. Let's make it float, because it can actually be decimal number, right? So let's make the rate as float. Okay, now let's write Okay, come 1200. Okay, rate let's say 2.5 and enter time for 2 years. Okay, 60 is the answer. Okay, making sense? I hope it's making sense, right? Okay, one more thing. Let's take the same example. Instead of giving this as int, let's give it float. Let's give it float. Okay, let's give same example. Same 1200. We give it 2.5 and let's give 260. Okay, it didn't make changes. Any changes out here? But if I give here, let's say, okay, just I'll show you what actually I want to tell you. Okay, if in case you have a number like int answer. Okay, till now let's keep these things clear to here. Okay, int answer, and there's a float. Okay, for b equal to let's say 4.5, and I actually keep answer equal to whatever value is b. Means inside my answer store the value of b. So if I come here and print the value of answer, what do you expect? We will get 4 because 4.5 is a decimal number, but since I'm storing it inside an integer, it will get converted into 4. Okay, let's see what I'm saying. First, okay, let's first handle this part. I did not get 2.5 for 2 years. Okay, so see, this part was our first part of the program, but this 4 basically means this answer. Okay, making sense? Is it making sense? Okay, even if I'm right here 4.59, and let's me first comment this part out because we don't need this right now, right? So let me just comment this. It's very for okay. I hope it makes sense. Okay, so with these programs, let's see in the next videos. Let's come up with the new programs. We'll see that again. So thank you.